Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock GA-010 or GA-010. And yes, you can also check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure you are in the timekeeping mode. And to do that, you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitched beeping sound. That one. Or you can also press and hold the mode button until you get double beep, like that one. Okay, next is the hands alignment, and it's best to do this before setting the time, date, and so on. So for the hands alignment, you can press and hold the adjust button like this and still hold, don't release yet until you get this view. So H set on the left and 000 on the right, meaning now you can do the hands alignment. Okay, let's wait for the hands to reach for the zero position or the default position. Okay, this one is already okay, so meaning actually I don't have to do the hands alignment, but if it is a bit to the left or a bit to the right, you can use these two buttons, the reset and start button, to set the hands to point out toward the 12 o'clock position or the zero position, like this. So the reset button will move to the left or counterclockwise, and the start button will move to the right or clockwise. Okay. And if you're done with the setting of the hands alignment, you can press the adjust button and it will return to its original position. So it will point out the time, in this case 9:04. Okay, let's wait. And yes, please keep in mind that for this watch, the setting of the hands alignment is not pointing toward the time, but pointing toward the zero position or 12 o'clock position. Okay, next, let's set the time, date, and so on. And to do that, in the timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button, and then you get single beep like this and release. So now you can see that this is the time zone or city, and this one is the time. So okay, first we will set the time zone or city by using these two buttons. The reset will move to the west, okay, and the start button will move to the east, like this. So because my city is the same time zone as PKK, I will use this one. Okay, next, press the mode button, this one on the bottom left, and we are moving to the setting of the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press the start button, this, okay? Or let me try, can you also use, okay, we cannot use the reset button, we can only use the start button to turn on or off the daylight saving. Okay, press the mode button, and now we are setting the time format. You can use this one, the start button, to change the time format. So this one is 12 hour and this one is 24 hour. Next, press again the mode button, and now we are setting the second. In this case, you can set the second or reset the second becoming 0, and if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, but if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So let's wait, I will show you what happens if 30 the second, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if I reset now, then the minute is increasing by 1 minute. And if it is like this, 4, 5, and so on, yes, now return reset and no additional minute. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the hour. You can use these two buttons. The reset button will move to the left, or in this case, reduce the number, and the start button will increase the number. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the minute, same thing. Reset button will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the year, same thing. Reset button will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, mode button again, and now is the month, also the same thing. Reset button is moving counterclockwise or reduce, and the start button is increasing or add the number. Again, mode button, and now is the date, same thing. Reset button to reduce and start button to increase. And now is the key tone, or this one is for the setting of the beep for the button operation. This one means that the button has beeps, and if you press the start button, it became mute, meaning that now the button operation is mute or silent. But anyway, this will mute the button operation, but it still gives beeping sound for the alarm and then timer and also the hourly signal. Okay, press again mode button, and now is the length of the backlight. You can use the start button to change the value. So this one means 3 seconds, and this one 1.5 second. And then mode button again, sorry. And back to the setting of the time zone or city. And yes, you have set the basic settings for this watch, Casio G-Shock GA-010. I will also post the full detail for the settings and also operation. And yes, it will take some time to record and edit, so yeah, please wait. And yes, that's all for now. And sorry, I just pressed the adjust button to exit from the adjust mode for the basic settings. If you have any question or anything to add, just put in the comment below. I hope I cover all the basic settings in this video. And thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.